subhanahu wa ta'ala, He created creatures and bacteria and light and sun and the moon, all that stuff. And He created life forms. As I told you, we don't know how many life forms Allah created. There could be hundreds of life forms before us. Only Allah knows. And Allahu A'lam what creatures He created. All we know are two that are mentioned in the Quran and the Sunnah, and they are the angels first and then the jinns. The Prophet ﷺ told us the angels are created from light. And Allah tells us in the Quran He created the jinns, another life form, an element of fire. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had the angels created, and the angels don't disobey Allah in anything. They don't have desires. And the jinns were created after them. The jinns have desires. They give birth to each other. And they existed on earth before the humans, according to the Islamic teachings, and in accordance to ancient teachings of other religions.